testing out the G7X Mark II, and I've done a few shots of the G7X Mark II. So I did the time lapse, I did the motion blur in the photographs. So basically today I'm over here in London at the river. It's a beautiful place, and we have a beautiful scene over here. So I'm testing out the G7X in absolutely low light. It's just simply amazing to test it, because the thing is that we have a beautiful scene, and I'm going to walk a little bit, and so the image stabilization is automatic, and we'll see how that behaves. So let's go, guys. So first of all, let's see how the image stabilization basically works. So as you can see over here, we have the Battersea Park, which is amazing, and this is absolutely low light. The light is very minimal here. So this is just a basic test of the G7X Mark II. So as you can see, Battersea Park is just simply, it's just a beautiful place. I'm just going to walk a little bit to check out the image stabilization. So let's go ahead. So guys, what do you think about the image stabilization? At the moment it's automatic, and I'm literally moving the camera. I've got it on a small tripod, and I am walking now again with the tripod, and just let me know how it feels. And now the second shot is going to be, I'm going to turn off image stabilization and see how that goes. So right now I have the image stabilization on. Actually it was off previously, and I wanted to see what the test did. So I'm going to talk to you again about the Battersea Park. So we have the Battersea Park over here, which is simply amazing. It's a beautiful place to visit in London. And what I'm going to do is, with the image stabilization on right now, I'm going to basically move the camera. So let's go ahead, and guys, I'm just going to walk a little bit with the camera, and you just tell me if it's any good with the image stabilization on or with the image stabilization off. So let's go back where we started from, and let's see if it does make any difference with the image stabilization on or off. So this is with the image stabilization on right now. The problem with the image stabilization is that it has the level correction as well, which generally what it does, it jitters the whole movie, which really you don't want that to be happening to your movie. I'm shooting at 60 frames per second. Colors are really vibrant. Everything is on auto. Okay, now I have the image stabilization off. I have the auto level off, and I'm going to pan with the camera, and you guys tell me that, do you feel any difference in the shake? I'm literally walking with this tripod. It's not the one with the gimbal, but it's just a normal tripod. But you can see, guys, maybe the image is better, maybe the video is shaky, or it's not, but it's a bit cold. And yeah, so maybe you can tell me that, is there any jitter in the video, or do you think that the video is better like this? So guys, just let me know. So I'm just gonna do a whole sort of show you guys the whole 360 degrees of the place where I'm standing. That'll give you a really good idea of the place, right?